All right, time to clean up the bikes. I just pulled a sticker off of this air cleaner on my Street Glide. You can see it leaves a residue that will not come off. It's a little trick I like to use. That's it. Lemon. Just put a few drops on. Rub it in. And you can see the residue just dissolve. Look at that. Then I can just wipe it right off. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And here we go. Sticker residue completely gone. Nice and shiny. Now you can get out the soap and water and clean up the rest of the bike. Great trick for detailing your bike, taking off anything sticky, any kind of residue, grease, oil. It's great. Keep that little bottle of lemon with you. If you need some, let me know. Cleaned up finished product. Looking good. That lemon really did a great job. Ready to ride.